Where do I start? Start small and start honest. You don't need to solve CMMC this week. Here's the path we'd point any operator to. First, start with the book. It takes the whole shop. The prologue and first 5 chapters are free to read on our site, and they put the whole thing in plain terms. Second, open the operator map, one page that lays out what's being asked, who needs to be in the room, and what you already have that may help. Third, run the diagnostic at qualifiedcapacity.com/diagnostic. When you're ready, it gives you an honest starting picture across the major areas of the work. And fourth, ask one plain language question here in Access Desk. Keep it general, no contract names, no customer names, or sensitive specifics, and you'll get an operator's answer back. That's the whole start. Read the book, open the map, run the diagnostic, and ask the first honest question. That's enough for day one, and you won't be doing it alone.